Hey guys, today we're going to just talk about what happens after you collect the data. So, big data means just a huge, complex set of information, and now you have to go through it before you can actually analyze it. So, there's just a few definitions, and I think these are pretty basic, but the five key characteristics of big data are the 5 V's. The first is volume, which is just huge amounts of data. So, for example, all the transactions on Amazon in a day, or all the photos uploaded to Instagram in an hour. That's a huge amount of data. Another one is velocity, which just means data coming in fast. So the real-time data streams for sensors, financial trades, social media updates, they come in fast, they have to be processed right away. Variety means that the data is coming in many different forms. And that can be text, images, videos, numbers, anything like that, GPS coordinates, all the different forms that you can have for data. Veracity is the quality and trustworthiness of the data. And basically what that refers to is that most of the data that you get, when you get it in huge chunks like that, you'll get stuff that's messy, inconsistent, or incomplete. And we're going to look at some examples of that in just a minute. And then finally, you have value, which is the potential insights that you can gain from looking at this data. Okay, so basically, what's the point of getting the data, right? You want data that you can use and that addresses whatever question it is you're trying to answer. So the one that is really critical on all this is the veracity. So we usually get data that's dirty. So we're going to look at what kind of things do you have to do to prepare it before you can use it. And that's what's coming next. So let me know if you have any questions.